Volume of a pyramid or a cone. When we talk about a pyramid and a cone are both shapes. Instead of, unlike a prism, where we have two shapes that are being connected, this starts with one shape and it kind of comes to a point, all right? So when we talk about a pyramid looks more like this guy, where we start with like a shape on the bottom, and all those things are connected to a point at the top, okay? That's a pyramid. And then a cone, of course, is the same thing, except with a cone, the base, the bottom piece, is a circle, okay? And so we have a circular shape that comes to a point, okay? So prisms connect two shapes, pyramids come to a point, and so do cones, all right? And so the formula is very similar here, but it's only like part of the measurement of a cylinder or a prism, okay? And so we still have that area of the base times the height, but it's actually 1/3 the area of the base times the height. Okay, so once again, that capital B is the area of the base, so we just have to identify what shape is the base of this thing. And once I have the base of that thing, I can look at it and go, well, I find the area of that base, and now I multiply it by the height, and I do 1/3 of that. 1/3 the area of the base times the height, okay? And so if I look at this particular example, I want to find the volume of this thing. I just say, hey, you know what? It's 1/3 the area of the base times the height. So let me write that guy down. And so once again, when I look at this thing in terms of the base of this thing is going to be a square this time. And so that's this guy down here. It's the kind of the bottom of this thing. Okay. And so if I want to find the area of that square, the area of the base here, it's just going to be 4 times 4. So the area of the base is 16 square feet. Okay. And now the height of a pyramid, the height of the pyramid always has to be measured to the point. Okay. So we measure from the base to the point where all this stuff comes to. And that's going to be a 6 right here. This is the measurement that goes from the bottom of this thing to the top. It goes from the base to the point of the pyramid. Okay. And so coming back over here, I just say, okay, the volume equals 1/3. The area of the base this time is 16 times the height this time, which is a 6. And again, this is a job for my calculator. I plug it in, and I get volume equals 32. And once again, that's going to be cubic feet. Okay?